How to change App Store country to China. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your App Store country to China. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll need to do is open up your App Store. After you open up your App Store, simply tap on your profile icon that is on the top right corner. After you tap on it, tap on your Apple ID that is on the top right above Game Center or Apps. After you tap on it, now you will get to your Apple account settings. So after you're here, you will see country/region option. Tap on that. And after you tap on that, you'll get an option to change your country or location. Simply tap on it. Now you can choose your country/region. Now simply search for China. And after you search for China, after you find it, tap on it. And now your country/region will get changed. Now you'll need to accept to your privacy and your terms and conditions. Tap on agree and change. Now after you tap on agree, you will need to make a purchase or you'll need to add in a valid purchase method. After you do that, your App Store country is now changed to China. And that is how you do it, guys. That is how you can change your App Store country to China. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.